Chilling under the blue light as streams of creativity just flow. The immersion starts right about now, cause the opportunities are definitely at the door. Contemplation on the goals at hand should be the key. Look around where you currently are, then tune in to this frequency. Lines of pure energy just awaiting the listening ear. Take this moment just to breathe as everything becomes much more crystal clear. Let the swing of the breeze guide you toward the higher regions of your mind. Free that motherfucker of all self-destructive thoughts so life can manifest your divine. In a time where technology has reached new heights, poetic master of ceremonies, may your device be my light. Affirmations of quantum proportions to expand your perception. Listen to the words clearly as you and I discover our reflection. Catastrophic times require a chaotic mind. Even destruction becomes a process once you seek and find. And as the marathon continues, the venues shall vibrate these sounds. Words from those on the other side whenever you feel up or you feel down. Concentrated gazing produce the images of the self as a better woman and man. I'm taking off under the ceiling.